This is Karis Alexander with Deep Truth Media. So I was just contemplating, who is the master of your subconscious mind? Is it you, or is it the power control force? And so for many, the subconscious mind is controlled by the power control force, and this objective mind is the program that we experience on the external reflective, which unfolds as our social programming, that is the institutional programming, our educational system. All these systems that we've been born into shape our objective mind and shape our subjective mind. And so when you think about it, we are walking amongst zombies, because if we don't have control of our subjective mind, which is the universal mind, which is an individuated aspect of the universal mind, and I'm not even talking about knowing self as awareness, I'm just talking about what it is that we're dealing with in this system of consciousness. Because awareness, the awareness that is you and I, is been captured in the system of consciousness, and for most of humanity that is obscured from them. But what also is obscured from them is the fact that their subconscious mind and their objective mind, which makes up the one mind of the individuated consciousness that allows them to experience this physical dimension, that's not even theirs, that's controlled, that they're under mind control. Get that? So most of humanity, again, doesn't even know that they are awareness, and that their awareness has been captured in the system of consciousness. That's one point. The next point is they don't even know that their subconscious mind and their objective mind, which makes one mind of their individuated consciousness, is theirs either. They think that that is theirs, that they are creating within this system of consciousness. But who's controlling that? Who's controlling that mind? Are they controlling that mind? If they don't know how their subconscious mind and their objective mind works, who's controlling that? Who's controlling their subjective mind? Who's the master of the subjective mind? The power control force. And who is the master of the objective mind? The power control force. And you're probably saying to yourself, well, Karis, how can that be? Because the narratives and scripts in which they have based their life on and built their life upon, this objective mind, which is the ego personality aspect, the characters, all the characters that they play, that has been designed and developed by the power control force. They have molded that aspect of each individuated consciousness, and they have molded the subconscious mind. They rule the subconscious mind. They manipulate the subconscious mind. They are the master controller of consciousness, of your consciousness. So when you look at the deeper understanding of what we're engaged in here, it's a mind control program. It's a programmed reality based on this universal mind, and the power control force are all about power control. What are they doing but simply controlling the universal mind, the universal womb, matrix, her? They're controlling the universe and its ability to create. What? Remember, the system of consciousness was created by the universal architects, and the power control force work on their behalf. To what? Control this physical earth plane. It's fascinating. When you understand it at a deeper level, when you're able to peel the veil away at a deeper level, the veil that seduces you into believing that all this is real, when you deprogram your consciousness, your subconscious mind, it allows you to see more clearly what you are experiencing here in this physical dimension. So when you think about it, and I'll leave you with this, most of humanity is mind controlled. They're living on a mind control program because they're not the master of their subconscious mind, and they're not the master of their objective mind. And to take it even further, they do not know who they are as awareness. And so they cannot know, or they do not know, who and what they are. And if you do not know who and what you are, then you cannot reclaim your right to be the master of your subconscious mind. You can't reclaim your right to be the master of your objective mind. And if you can't be the master of your subjective mind and your objective mind, you can't be the master of your own creations. Plain and simple. You will always be creating for this system that has you under mind control. They're a mind control program. They're controlling the mind of humanity through the universal mind, or the system of consciousness. Get that. Take that to the bank, right? Fascinating. I asked someone a question the other day. I asked this individual, what would you be without your story? And he said, nothing. And a part of me thought afterwards, well, that's a good answer, because we are no thing as awareness. But he meant nothing in the context of his identity, was so caught up in who he thought he was and his story. And so when he said he would be nothing, that's what the Power Control Force have created, the walking dead. They've created a humanity that sleepwalks through life, believing that they are their narratives, believing that they are their stories, they are the personality that the designers, the architects, have molded and shaped, completely obscuring who and what they are as awareness from them in this personality and this stories that everyone is living out. So really, you're walking amongst the dead. You're walking amongst zombies, truly, because they are mind controlled. If you do not have access, if you are not the master of your subconscious mind, then you are under massive mind control. Plain and simple. So that's the reality that most people are living, and those of us who know self as awareness, or coming to know self as awareness, must come to the realization that we are living amongst the dead who believe they are alive. Thank you so much for tuning in. Truly is a glorious time. So much to learn, so much to wake up to, if one chooses, that is, wake up.